It's me again. CCNP Enterprise. Configure, troubleshoot, and manage the networks of the largest companies in the world. When you earn your CCNP Enterprise certification, you're proving that you can scale and maintain enterprise networks to ensure they can continue to meet growing demand. Step 1. Training, implementing and operating Cisco Enterprise Network Core Technologies, Anchor. Exam, 350 to 401 Anchor. Duration, 40 hours. Step 2. Choose one concentration exam and recommended training. Either Training, implementing Cisco Enterprise Advanced Routing and Services, NRC. Exam, 300 to 410. Duration, 40 hours. Or Training, implementing Cisco SD-WAN Solutions. Exam, 300 to 415. Duration, 40 hours. Or Training, designing Cisco Enterprise Networks, ENSLD. Join us now. Computer Learning Center. Defining quality in IT and business training.